Hello everyone, welcome to Publish Prime. Today is going to be a quick video whether or not you can change your back cover or how to do or how to update your back cover or cover in all on Amazon KDP. So the very first thing is there is no back cover. It is just called cover on Amazon KDP, and the cover comprises of the front and the back. The right side is the front and the left side is the back. To give you the perspective, this is the perspective. So the right side is the front cover, the left side is the back cover. This is an example book which I created in my earlier video. Now the ways to update, most of the time you will have to update it here because most of the covers are created in one or the other softwares. Now this is Canva, you can create it in Photoshop, Affinity, there are a number of softwares. So they have to be updated here, and this is the most recommended way, not from me but from anyone with whom you can cross check for KDP, because Amazon's KDP cover creator, which is the cover designer, is very odd and it's very limited. So if you have created a cover here, you will be able to, for updating it, you will have to make the changes here. For example, in my last book I made this text purposely go beyond the margin to show what mistakes do we make, and then now to update that same cover I'll have to drag it down, save it, and then again export it, and then again upload to my test book, and then we'll have the perfect view of book cover. And if you have used, like, let me show you, if you have used Amazon KDP's cover designer, let me go beyond this, then you will have to edit it inside the KDP cover designer, which I don't recommend because it is very archaic and it's very limited, which is you select this, use cover creator to make your book cover, and this upload your own image is too odd to work with. So it's better that you create an entire cover through which you will also have a template, and because of which you will have complete control over your design. So this is what concludes how the cover can be updated or edited, because for in Canva, for example, you have ample images even in the free edition. So I recommend that always create a cover in Canva. Thank you for watching. If I have not answered the question which you were looking for, do let me know in the comments. I will answer them in the comments, or I'll make another video if a video is needed, of course. Thank you for watching.